bigger invest all the time. I got all this money on my mind.
What is good everyone, DSU Panther here. Today we are finally going to be getting the Vogtland springs fitted onto the Polo GTI. Honestly, I'm really excited because the iBack ones didn't drop it as much as I wanted them to drop. So a lot of people have been waiting for this video. Without further ado, let's get into it. Let's go to Tire Point, follow them here. You know, we're going to get straight into it. We're not going to do no intros and all this crap. Let's get straight into it. Let's head to Tire Point today because we're getting the springs fitted and we're also getting some front lower arms because my lower arms are just messed up. But yeah,
let's go. Hope you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go.
Alright guys, so this is what we are putting on the car today. We are putting these new, hopefully these fit. These are for the 6R. But they share the same chassis as the 6C, so hopefully these fit. These are the front lower arms, which have the bushes in it because the bushes are messed up. So we are replacing the whole thing because it's cheaper, and Tire Point are doing it for me. So we might as well just do it at the same time. Kill birds, two birds with one stone. Here's the fun part. We have the Vogtland lowering springs. I got these for £130, I think. But yeah, honestly, let's put these on because the lower ride height I'm not happy with. So we're going lower with these, but yeah, let's get into it. Let's head to Tire Point now. Let's go. Guys, we're now at Tire Point. We're just waiting to get the springs fitted and the front lower arms. VW said that I had a coolant leak, which I didn't. But yeah, let's get these fitted and see what these look like. Hopefully it looks good on the car. Alright guys, we're just leaving Tire Point. We're gonna go and get some Subway because I'm hungry and I'm starving. But yeah, they got some Tire Point vans that I'll show you as well. There's the Tire Point vans. Jeez. Yeah, if you guys want to come down here, Tire Point sign is there, and then you literally just come down here and then Tire Point is left in there. But yeah, we are now just going to go for a trek to Subway, have food, and then we'll come back to the car and see if it's done because we are getting the lower arms and the Vogtland springs done. But yeah, shout out to Tire Point, getting into 1,000 followers, the video thing will be here. But yeah, let's go Subway. Right guys, I'm back at Tire Point now. Springs have all been done. Our arms are on, so we're gonna go. They're gonna do it for me, finish it up, and I've got to pay for it, and then we will see what they look like. Hopefully, it looks good. But yeah, fingers crossed. All the alignment and all that is sorted because it was out a little bit. Hopefully, it's sorted now. But yeah, let's see what it looks like. Hopefully, it looks sick. Alright guys, we are now back and I now have the car with the Vogtland springs on. Now obviously this video was about proving to you if it is worth getting these springs over the iBack springs. And in my opinion, before I show you what they drop and what it looks like, yes. The simple answer is yes. Shout out to Tire Point for fitting these. Obviously they've done such a good job as they always do. But yeah, let's cut to little cinematics of what these springs look like and then we can talk about them and get in detail. And also I will be selling my iBack springs if you guys do want to buy them. But yeah, let's get into cinematics. This is what it looks like with the Vogtland springs on. As you see, that is the drop. Pretty severe compared to what the drop was like on the iBacks. He's a lot lower and he's also even both sides for me now. I mean, I don't know if anyone else has had that problem with the iBack springs, but both sides have pretty much dropped the same level now. So it definitely looks proper low. I'm proper chuffed with it. So as I said, massive shout out to Tire Point. Now these are the original iBack springs that I did have on the Polo. So if you guys do want to buy these, they've literally only been on the car for about 200 miles. So if you guys do want to buy these springs, just let me know in the comments and I can sort you out good. I think I'm selling for about £100. So get in contact with me if you do want to buy these. As I said, the springs that I've now got on the car are from Vogtland. There you go, Vogtland. Massive shout out to them. They do some sick springs. But yeah, that is what the car looks like with the new Vogtland springs. I'm pretty sure it's 50mm at the back and then it might be 30 or 20 on the front. But yeah, that is so much better. It's literally slammed it, but not too much, like to the point where you can't drive it anymore. So massive shout out to Tire Point. Everyone go and follow them, run their follows up. They're almost at 1,000 followers now. But yeah, look at that. But yeah, so I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. That has been the Vogtland springs on my Polo. Again, we have changed the springs like for the 5th time now. I also have new front lower arms on because my old ones were destroyed. So for you guys, I do recommend getting them done because they do get quite demolished over potholes and that. So definitely get the front lower arms done. I'll leave the link to everything I've bought in this video so you guys can get the same setup that I got. I also got a new alignment on it. So now it drives 10 out of 10. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe. Let's get to 2K subs. And thank you for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.